Hey everyone, hope all is well. In this video I will be showing you guys a few Dremel accessories and a bit. I'm gonna test out these items and give my opinion on them. These were sent to me by Dremel through their Vue program. Also, if you're interested, they have a great community over at the Dremel Maker Studio. Go check that out. They do challenges over there and chances of winning Dremel products, so I'll leave a link to that down in the description. So let's go through what we have here. Alright, so here's the pack that they had sent me. So we have here a Collet Nut Kit. We have a tungsten carbide carving bit. We have a mandrel and a diamond wheel. So let me take it out of the packages and open them up and test them all out. Alright everyone, so got the Dremel 4300 out here on the flex shaft. I have no collets or anything on here. I'm going to go ahead and open up this one first because we're going to need these to try on these bits and mandrels. So this is the Collet Nut Kit 4485W. It has 4 different collets, so let me get a knife here and open this package up. Alright. These out here. This is the Collet Nut. Alright. Now we got 4 different collets. So we got the 4 different collets. We got a 1/8 inch. That's the one we're going to need. There's a 3/32, 1/16, and a 1/32. So these are for all the different rotary accessories and bits. So we're going to need the 1/8 collet. This will be this bigger one here. Alright, so these ones we can save. So that's a great nice pack to have different collets included if you have smaller shaft bits. So the first one I'm going to do is the mandrel. You're going to need this mandrel. It's an easy lock Dremel accessory, and it works for these easy lock cutting wheels. These are the new ones, the Dremel Max Life. So let me get this one open first, install it into the flex shaft with the collet and the nut. So let's open up this one. Ready. So this is the Mandrel EZ402. It's an easy lock for the Dremel accessories. So this is a 1/8 inch shaft, and how these work, you push down this outer area. It's spring loaded. You can see right there. There's a better look. It's very tight, very easy locking. See that? Alright, so let's open up this multi-purpose diamond wheel EZ545 HP. It's a cutting multi-purpose wheel. It's a 1.5 inch disc. Alright, so you can get a nice close-up of it. Alright, and you can see the shape right here that will fit into this shape right in there. Alright, so you're going to want to pull it back like that, and then take the disc, match it up, turn it, and it locks in. So now it's nice and snugged in there. It's not going to come out. Alright, so for this Max Life Dremel multi-purpose cutting wheel, they recommend the max RPM of 35,000. That's good for floor tiles, acoustic tiles, piping, PVC, some metal. So I know I've used these older Dremel Easy Lock. So this is a metal only cutting wheel comparable to this multi-purpose one. So let's try this out. So to get this into your collet, you want to insert the collet into the collet nut and then feed in the shaft of your bit or mandrel. So just like that. And then You're going to want to screw that on to your flex shaft or your Dremel. Just make sure you take it out just a little bit. Take the little wrench, give it a little quick tightening. Alright, so there you have it, right on there. So let's give it a test. Let's see some metal. Alright, so I have this piece right here. So I believe it's a brass. It's a long way to find out. So let's have our safety gear on. I got some eye protection. I'll put on a mask just in case. Got some pliers to hold it because it may get hot, or it will get hot. So let's turn on the Dremel. Put it at at least I'm gonna put it at about 30,000 RPMs. Alright, so you can see here how much I had cut in. Nice and smooth. This is a heavy steel. This is very durable, longer lasting than the previous models. So let's try cutting something else. Take a plastic. We can lower the RPMs on this so it doesn't burn it up real quick. So let's try that. Very easy. So it cuts through those very easily. This will be the next bit that we talk about. Alright, so let's try some wood. Let's ramp it back up a little bit. 30,000 RPMs. So it's not as effective on wood as it is as other materials, but you can still see it will cut in there. Alright, so if you're looking for a versatile cutting wheel, you can check out these new Max Lifes from Dremel at the actually from Home Depot. Leave links in the description below. They are not affiliate links, and this is not a paid review or anything. So they're just for you guys, to help you guys out. I'm going to try and cut off all these little pieces here from this old kitchen sink faucet. So again, we have the Easy Lock Dremel Max Life Cutting Multi-Purpose Diamond Wheel. Let's cut the plastic off first and then go for the copper pipes. Wow. So yeah, that thing went right through this. Definitely a multi-purpose cutting wheel. Oh yeah. Check out that smooth cut too. Alright, let's go ahead and cut these little copper pipes out. I'll just cut them off right around here. Alright, well, yeah, very impressed. So let's try out this carbide bit. So this is the 9901 HP tungsten carbide carving bit. That's also a Dremel Max Life cylinder 1/8 inch shaft. Alright, here we go, close up. So the majority of the times that I will be using this for myself will be with wood and carving. But it also does say you could use it with metals. You can also use it with pipes, PVC, softwood, hardwood, steel, aluminum, stone, ceramics, and glass. You just got to make sure you have it at the right RPM so you don't break anything. So for medium to hardwood, put it about 25,000 RPMs. That should be a safe amount. Let's give it a go. Yeah, it cuts real nice. I'll definitely be using these in the future carvings, especially on this one. You'll have to subscribe, click that notification bell to make sure you're notified when I come out with this video of this carving. So I'm going to leave this here for right now. And this carbide bit is very good. So this carbide bit right here is very durable and cuts very nicely. So if you guys are interested in one of these, make sure you go check out the link. Alright, so that's the testing and the review of these Dremel accessories and carving bit and the cutting wheel. I recommend these. I was very impressed with this this carving bit. Very happy with the outcome of it. This Max Life cutting multi-purpose wheel is an improvement from the previous models. Right, and the Mandrel is very sturdy with the easy unlocking, so I can do, if you wear out the wheel and you need to get some new ones, you just push it down, twist it, and pops right off. The Collet Kit is great to have to make sure your bits are securely tightened to your tool. It's a great kit with the varieties of collets, so for different size bits. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and until next time, catch you later.